welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today's recipe is a Minicoy recipe, Lakshadweep Islands recipe, and it's very tasty, very fantastic to eat with rice. It's not spicy and we'll see how to make it. It's so tasty. Come, let's go to my kitchen. The recipe's name is Sannath in Mahal, and I don't know to name it in our language in Tamil or English. So I'll prepare Sannath and we'll see how to prepare it. For making sannath we need all kind of yams, and I'm having 1 bowl of elephant yam and 1 bowl of pumpkin, 1 bowl of taro yam, 1 bowl of potato and 1 big sliced onion, 2 pods of curry leaves, few carom seeds, half teaspoon thick coconut milk and the watery coconut milk. I have added the carom seeds here. This lemon and chilies have to be added after boiling. Now we'll see, for boiling we have to add the watery milk, all the yams, now we have to add half teaspoon turmeric powder, and also we have to add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add as much as needed salt for you. I am adding 1 teaspoon and mix it well, and now we have to boil it for 1 whistle in the cooker. Now I have boiled it for 1 whistle and switch off the flame, and now it's more than 15 minutes so that I can open the cooker easily. See how nicely it has boiled. Now you have to mix it well with a spoon. Crush all the yams. Now add the green chili pieces, which is finely chopped. Also add the thick coconut milk and mix it well. And now you can add the lemon juice too. Mix everything well. Hey guys, I hope so you love this recipe. If you like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Serve with hot rice or chappathi. This is very tasty, and this curry is very good for kids and people who don't like to eat masala. It's so tasty, it's so fantastic to eat. You too try this recipe at your home and let me know your comments in the comment box. Until next, take care. Bye bye.